In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Clawdbot, connected directly to Home Assistant's MCP server and use AI to have natural conversations that control your smart home devices. All right, this build has two key pieces of software that need to communicate. First, in Home Assistant, we need to install the MCP Server. This is what allows Clawdbot to talk directly to Home Assistant. Go to Settings, Devices and Services, click Add Integration, and search for MCP. You'll see two options. The one we need is MCP Server. This is the component that listens for incoming commands. Make sure you don't install the wrong one. With that server running, it's time to introduce Clawdbot. This is an incredibly popular open-source personal AI assistant. Now, Clawdbot has two huge features that are vital for us: persistent memory and multi-channel communication. That means you can talk to it on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Discord, and the entry barrier is low. If you can type, you can use it. To install it, we just copy the official provided curl command from the Clawdbot website, paste it into our Linux system, and run it. Once the installer is finished, we launch the core setup by typing the command Clawdbot onboard. The setup process begins. First, it will warn you about security risks. Select Yes. Next, choose the Quick Start onboarding mode. Then, select your model provider, paste the API key, and choose a model to connect the AI. After that, you'll be prompted to choose your channel. This is the software you'll use to talk to Clawdbot. Since it's pretty simple and depends on your preference, we'll just choose to skip this step for the video. Next is the most crucial part: skills. You must select Yes to enable skills, and then also choose to install Homebrew to prevent potential dependency issues. For the installation method, we'll select NPM. This leads to the Install Missing Skill Dependencies screen. You must select and install Mcporter here. This is the core skill that teaches Clawdbot how to speak Home Assistant's MCP language. After you input any remaining API keys, make sure you choose to enable hooks for memory. Finally, we use the recommended method hatch in TUI to successfully launch Clawdbot. Now, we move on to configuring the Home Assistant MCP server connection, and we do this just by talking to Clawdbot. You open a direct chat and tell it, "Add Home Assistant MCP server with URL and long-lived access token." Clawdbot will automatically understands this instruction, installs the required skill, and you'll see it creates a JSON file named Mcporter inside the home/config directory with the credentials. All right, for the final test. We've built the system, we've connected the AI, and we've given it the skill. We just type our command, turn off the smart plug. Clawdbot begins its thought process, identifies the intent, calls the MCP tool, and the plug successfully turns off. We've given our powerful multi-channel AI assistant complete natural language control over our smart home.